So in this question, a clock with a brass pendulum keeps correct time at 20 degrees Celsius but loses 8.212 seconds per day when the temperature rises to 30 degrees Celsius. The coefficient of linear expansion of the brass is. So as per the question, at 20 degrees Celsius, the clock shows correct time. 30 degrees Celsius, the clock actually starts losing the time. So it's asking you to find the value of alpha. So there is a formula to calculate this. The loss of time per day delta t is equal to half into alpha into delta capital T into 86,400. This is the difference in temperature. This is the difference in time. So delta T is given as 8.212 is equal to half into alpha. Alpha is what we have to find out. Delta T 30 minus 20 10 into 86,400. When you make the calculations, you get alpha is equal to 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6 per degree Celsius. Thank you.